Gold against US dollar has dropped in value. We can see after the prices reached this small uptrend on a daily time frame, the Monday has started with this small bullish candle. After the prices break below this area, we can see it is very critical support for the price. The price has tested this 2016 price level as a next resistance, which was acting before as a support. This was also a confluence of support for the price, but after the price has formed this bullish candle on Monday, which was not very strong, the price stopped at the resistance and then formed a strong bearish candle that took the price to the next support at 1979.57. Here the price has continued on a Wednesday again down, and it has stopped again on this area where the support is. We can see that this was a significant support in the past, so the price has stopped again. But on a Thursday, this support has lost its ground. We can see that the price has formed again strong bearish candle that took the price down to the daily support at 1947.44. This is also visible here in the past that the price had problems for the bulls and also for the sellers. The price from there returned back up, making a retrace and confirming this 1979.57 as the next resistance for the price. We can see on a weekly time frame how this looks. After the previous week was a bearish pin bar, which was suggesting that the price will continue to move down. We can see that this week the price has formed a strong bearish candle that overtook these several candles bodies, and it has closed below them. We can see that the wick has stretched below to 1950, which was also visible in the past that the same scenario has happened. This strong monthly support is still holding, as we can see, but this is a weekly time frame, so we need to see these weekly horizontal support levels. We can see this uptrend, which is visible here on a weekly time frame, is still holding, so the price has reached this area and it has bounced. We can see also that the price had problems in the past going below this 1981, and the next one was very critical at 1969. So the price is still holding above this one, but it has gone below that, which is a very bad signal for the bulls in the coming weeks. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. On the monthly time frame, we can see this very strong. Currently it is a bearish pin bar, but we have a 1.5 week until this month ends, so we need to see what will happen. If the price goes below this one where it currently is and closes below that, it will be very critical for the bulls, because it will be a bearish pin bar on the monthly time frame that is suggesting that the price will continue to move down. We can see in the past this was very critical price level for the monthly time frame, and also this one is the next one as a support. Let's see what we could expect for this month. So the very critical level for this month is this one area here, 1968, because we can see in the last 2 months this was very critical level for the price until the price found enough strength to push the price higher. We can see in the past we also have this one area here, which is also the same one as this one. So the next one, if the price goes below this one on a monthly time frame, this will mean that the price is targeting 1936 price level. So it's very critical where this month will end. If the price stays above this area and also above 1979.57, it will mean that the price has found support, and we can watch that the price will continue to try to reach again 2072 on a monthly time frame. But before that happens, we have several levels on a weekly and also daily time frame that the price needs to break to the upside to see price on a higher level. Let's see on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very critical level for the bulls is this one, So it is very critical to hold the price above. If the price goes below this one on the next week, we can expect that the price will continue to reach lower level, and the first one is this one, because it is right here on the uptrend support line, but it is also visible in the past that the price had problems reaching lower levels. The next one where the price will fall down is this one area here, because we can see in the past the price had problems here reaching higher levels, and it has stopped in the past around this one. So 1930 is very critical, so we can see that on a daily time frame how this looks. On a daily time frame it is 1947, and here it is 1930, which is also visible, and it is between this one currently support and this one support level, so it is in between. But for the daily time frame, very critical level is this one area here, which is from 1940 to 1950. So this is the area for the bulls. If the price goes below this one, it will mean that the price will continue to move down and reach this area here, which is around 1920. We can see that on a daily time frame that will be a uptrend support line, which will try to prevent the price from falling down. If the price stays above, it will mean that the price has found support enough, and it will bounce between these two price levels, between 1979 and 1947. It is an area that the price needs to break out to the upside or to the downside. Until the breakout happens, it will be hard to determine where the trend is, because we can see that on a daily time frame, the critical level for the bulls to push the price on a higher time frame is currently this area here around 1979. This supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and they will try to push the price to the lower price. It will be hard to break, because we can see here lots of wicks and also lots of candles, and it was a strong support for the price, which is now broken. We can see it now with this daily candle on a Thursday. But for the bulls, we can see in the past the price has tried to reach higher levels, and the price has stopped here. Then the price had problems again here. After the breakout happened this week, we can see this in a bullish candle. The price found support here around, and this was also a trigger for the price to move to higher levels. So it will be hard for the price to break above again this resistance, because in the past it has acted a very strong resistance, but after it has been broken, it will act as a strong support. So this is a very important for the price to move to the higher levels. So 1986 and also around this one is very critical. If the price goes above and closes the day above daily candle, it should find support, and it should confirm this breakout to the upside with candles closing above. If the price makes a breakout to the upside and the next candle goes below that, this will mean a false breakout, and it will be similar like this scenario here, where we can see that this bullish candle has made a breakout to this one, but the next one candle has returned back down, did not act as a great confirmation for the price and support the price continue to move down. After this breakout has happened, we can see that the price has stayed above, and it has confirmed this breakout as a valid one. So these are the critical level for the bulls and also for the sellers on a daily time frame. When this happens, we have seen that also the critical levels for the weekly and also monthly time frame will be broken to this downside and also for the upside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.